What's up, guys? Alright, so today we're going to be reviewing the new and improved LIGHTLIFE plant-based burgers.
Or so they say.
Or so they say. Now, last year we actually reviewed their original recipe?
Yes.
Yeah, so today we're going to try this out and see what the big deal is, what the big difference is. Now, last year we reviewed the burgers with their plant-based grounds as well as their plant-based sausage. And today we're going to be making one as a burger, and then we're going to be using the other burger kind of like a meat sauce. Now, they did release a new version of all of the products that they released last year, but today we were able to find the burgers. I also think they did
a breakfast sausage.
Yeah, breakfast sausage.
Yeah.
So we'll be on the lookout for that as well. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe as well as follow us on Instagram. Now, if you are following us on Instagram, you will see that we did tease last night a photo of a pasta with meat sauce, and we said to stay tuned to see what product we were reviewing. So yeah, Instagram is a great way to keep up with us on a daily basis in between videos.
But if you want to check in with us on the channel, we post Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays, usually around 10 o'clock, maybe a little earlier.
Sometimes some bonus videos like this one as well.
Yes.
Also, last week we were showing footage of our new juicer, which we are obsessed with.
Yes.
And we also announced that we will be going raw vegan. If you have not checked out that video, go ahead and check it out. Now, we will be starting that challenge next week, so feel free to subscribe if you want to join that raw vegan challenge. Now, our family's been vegan for 5 years. We have 6 kids, and we thought it would be fun to share our raw vegan journey with you guys on the channel. Now, our goal on this channel is always to show you guys a realistic and sustainable portrayal of life as a vegan family. We hope this video, along with our other videos, will help you guys wherever you are on your plant-based journey. Now let's go ahead on inside and get this burger.
Stop getting bitten up by mosquitoes.
Stop getting bitten up. I am getting. They biting, man. They biting. Jeez, let's go. Alright, now on today's burger, we will also be putting vegan bacon from All Vegetarian Inc.
Yum.
Yum, yum.
Best bacon ever.
Best bacon in the world. Vegan and non-vegan. I said it.
The British singing is
in the world. Now, if you guys haven't checked out that video where you can actually get a free pack of one of these, check it out. So before we continue, as usual, we gotta show you guys nutrition facts and ingredients. Alright, so now we're going to open this bad boy up.
Let's see how it looks.
It looks kind of beefy. It looks kind of creamy. Let's see. Ooh, nice and easy open.
Yeah, we stand a nice and easy to open package, so you definitely got points for that.
Points for easy open package,
You know, the funny thing about the last launch, the first launch of this product last year, is that they got vegan influencers to try it.
Yes, they did.
And they were all like raving about it. And
they were saying it's the best on the market and all this other stuff. I don't know about that.
And yet here they are reformulating the whole thing. If it was so great, why y'all
start from the ground up?
Why do you have to start from the ground up? Be careful who you trust with your reviews. That's all we're gonna say.
Hey. Like we say in the past and we say in every video, we're here to give you the raw and honest reviews.
We're not being paid to tell you it tastes good. Trust me. How's that smell?
I don't know. It smells like the Trader Joe's turkey burger.
Smells like corned beef.
Smells like corned beef to you?
Yeah.
I don't know. We'll see. Alright, so let's go ahead and...
Hated it.
Nah, it doesn't smell terrible.
It does not. Nothing compares to
That's why we do the smell test, because if it smells bad, that's not a good sign.
Yeah.
But it smells okay. To me, it smells like turkey burger. To you, it smells like corned beef.
Yeah, turkey burger smells more sweet to me. This smells more savory.
Would you say it smells like the Trader Joe's beefless burger?
I do not. I never tasted that, remember?
Did you smell it though?
I would not remember that. What's your question, sir?
But did you smell it?
Guys, it's very slimy for whatever reason.
Slimy looking. I don't know if that's just coconut oil or Whatever the case.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's canola oil and coconut oil.
Canola oil does not agree very much with me. Put a little bit of seasoning on it.
Oh yeah, you know we gotta. Last time, wasn't busting by itself. Put a little seasoning on there.
Got some garlic powder. Put a little bit of Cajun.
All right. So it says to cook for 4 or 5 minutes on each side. So that's what we're gonna do. It's sizzling up pretty nice though. I can't even lie. Doesn't smell too bad with some seasonings.
Yeah, let's get that bacon in the air fryer too.
Bacon in the air fryer. All right, now for that flip.
All right, we're gonna cut to what it looks like the first time when we flipped it.
So this is the finished product. You do have to watch it because it will cook very fast. You have to flip it, I would say, every 2 to 3 minutes.
And here it is this year.
Oh, looks a little more burgery.
Wow.
Okay.
Looks very... They really committed to the burger look this time.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay.
All right.
All right, now for the second one, we got some onions and some garlic in here. We're just adding some seasoning.
Yeah, we have olive oil in the pot that we're cooking that in.
Oil.
Yeah, so we've got some onion powder, some garlic powder, some Italian seasoning, some cilantro, a little bit of black pepper.
And some black pepper.
Over here, the burger, the cheese is melting on top. That is some Daya cheese. Melting on top.
Big Mike. I'm just gonna plop that right here. Turning up the heat a little bit. I'm just gonna break it up, just like that. A little 2-for-1 deal, no?
What's that?
We ain't even have to buy no grounds.
To buy the grounds, yeah.
Yeah, baby. Shout out to Chris. This is her idea that we were going to make one as a burger and one as a meat sauce.
It's story writes itself.
The story writes itself. Also, if it didn't taste too great, at least we only spent like $5 on it.
I know. Let's get some more Italian seasonings up in there.
Yeah, let's season this bad boy up a little more. Alright, I hope it tastes as good as it looks.
Guys, I'm not gonna lie, it smells really good.
It does smell good. It smells
really freaking good. Alright, let's check in on this ground meat.
Yeah, we pretty much got it to the color we wanted it to be.
Yeah, it was very quick and easy to cook, as you guys saw.
Now we're just gonna add a little sauce, a little tomato sauce. Just a little.
Just a little.
There you go. Alright.
I'm gonna throw in a couple fresh tomatoes.
Tomatoes, okay.
Yeah, a couple, just a couple.
Alright.
And then we're gonna add some
pasta me, baby.
We're gonna add just a little bit of pasta.
Alright.
Should be good, right?
Alright, we're just adding a little more seasoning to the mix. I'm taking over the camera right now because what you don't normally see is Chris takes over the cooking and adds her flair to it, and that's what actually makes these things taste good. I'm just keeping it all the way real.
Don't say that.
I mean, I could cook a little something, but the real MVP.
The real MVP.
Real MVP.
Okay. That's it. Just some garlic. A little bit of garlic.
Right, you season that up.
A little bit of garlic. This actually smells really good, man.
It looks like a proper meat sauce too.
Yeah. Alright, that's good.
Alright guys, and here's the end result. Alright. If you guys follow us on Instagram, you probably saw this already. It looks good and it smells amazing.
Yeah.
We did season it within an inch of its life though. Alright guys, so I'm gonna show you the inside. It looks pretty meaty, no?
Looks pretty meaty.
Okay.
Very surprised.
Not bad at that at all.
Alright, and let's cut to what the other one looked like on the inside. Because we really want to let y'all know, is it worth it?
Is it worth it to reinvest?
To reinvest. Is it worth it to go pick these up instead of the other one?
Yeah.
If you have the other one, you just get that one because they're both basically the same.
Exactly. Because look, you can even see.
You can see, like, that doesn't look like a regular burger when you bite into it. It looks like a turkey burger. Alright.
Alright, cheers.
Cheers.
It tastes pretty good, but this reminds me of the traditional Guardian burgers. Remember those burgers from back in the day? We made like a Big Mac out of it.
I've been craving a Big Mac all day, so my husband went out and bought me one. I just had to have one. I'm sorry, I know I'm vegan, but guys, I'm joking. He made it. Look at this. Special sauce and everything.
We're about to cook up some burgers. Burgers tonight. We used to make breakfast sandwiches. That's what this tastes like.
Yeah.
Still doesn't quite compete with Impossible and Beyond and the heavy hitters.
Yeah.
But it's a good burger though.
Let me see.
I'm not mad at it.
There's something about it I want to like. I feel like I need to maybe wait and see how I feel in a few chews. You know what I mean?
Yeah. It's one of those things. It's not gonna blow you away on the first bite.
It's not.
It's just not. I'm not mad at it though. If it's something that you see in the store, it is pretty low cost, about $5. If you see it in the stores, go ahead and pick it up. Try it out for yourself.
I like the texture. Sometimes these vegan burgers can have sort of like a very shredded texture on the inside. So I like that it doesn't have that like weird shredded like cat food feel to it.
Like not actual burger. It holds together, it's solid.
Yeah.
They knew what they were doing, and I feel like we said that with the last one too. I feel like it had a nice, they have the texture down pat. Yeah,
it's not as bready as it was the last time.
It's definitely not as bready. They are inching closer to that beefy, burgery taste. Yeah. It has a nice flavor to it, but
I also like that it's not too oily.
Yeah. Some of that oil, a lot of that oil definitely burned away while we were cooking.
And something really interesting about it that I have to note, we have our favorite bacon in there. I did not taste or notice the bacon
got
at all.
drowned out, guys.
That's not to say that it's so good that it took away from the taste of the bacon.
Right, but the last time, the bacon overpowered the burger.
Let's cut to that clip.
I also got the bacon on there.
Yeah.
And as y'all know, that bacon is top notch. So the bacon is definitely
shining through.
Yeah, shining through and making this sandwich taste amazing. So this time around, the flavor's a little bit more stronger. This time around too, it was a little less ingredients. At least I think so. It was a little easier to read the ingredients list. So maybe that played a factor in, you know, the flavor being a little better. Yeah. It's definitely an improvement. Yeah. They definitely improved on the original recipe.
For sure they improved. Would this be my go-to burger if I am like craving a burger?
No, but it is better than the Gardein burger.
Yes. Guys, I'm almost done with it. Like I tell you guys, I almost never finish these things. Yeah. I'm trying to get a good sense for
of where it stands. And like I said, to me, it tastes like the older versions of the Gardein burgers. Before they came out with the ultimate burger, those Gardein burgers that they used to have on the market, I think they probably still got them. But like, yeah, that's what it tastes like to me. Still got some work to do, but it is a pretty good improvement, definitely. Yeah. All right, let's move on to this pasta. I'm actually pretty excited about that.
Guys, I think I kind of liked it.
You kind of like it?
I think.
Like I said, it's a good burger. It's not bad. Yeah. It's not bad.
Yeah, let's taste this meat.
Let's try this pasta.
Let's try it as the meat sauce now.
Yo. All right. It looks good. Looks good. All right. Go ahead and take some of that. I'm gonna get you some of that, girl. Cheers.
Cheers.
All right, you ready? Because of the consistency of it, man, this tastes like actual meat sauce.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I like the meat this time around. I don't really remember how I felt about it last time. I don't think it was bad. It
was actually really good. We actually had it as tacos last time and it was really good. This time it's pretty freaking good, man. Especially in this pasta sauce that we seasoned up. Yeah. If there's one thing they got down, it's that consistency, man.
Yeah, I like this. This
tastes like real meat.
This is good. This is definitely good. So, okay, so.
Tastes like real meat with minimal ingredients.
Yeah.
To make it.
Guys, this was just the burger that we
ground down. We didn't even buy the crumbles. If I were to buy this again, I would just buy the burger and make this again.
Same.
This is a must-have, definitely.
Because it's not as expensive as Impossible.
It's not.
It's not as expensive as Beyond. It doesn't have that. I'll see how I feel tomorrow, honestly. Yeah. Because Beyond makes me feel weird in the stomach. I'll see how this makes me feel stomach-wise.
This here is far.
Yeah, guys, definitely try this, but as the meat sauce. Very surprised.
Yeah, I like that.
Very surprised.
Sounds good.
You know what would be really bomb with this? The cheese that we did in the last video.
That would bring this up to like upper echelon.
Guys, imagine actually making pasta and then grating fresh vegan cheese on top of it like this. Like what? Yeah.
Upper echelon.
That cheese, the grating.
Cheese, oh my god.
Y'all see how that cheese grated?
We actually went back to Whole Foods today.
The next day.
We had to pick some stuff up from Whole Foods and we went back and the cheese was completely gone.
Yeah.
Completely sold out.
Typical. That's why we say join the membership, because stuff sells out.
Yes.
Absolutely. Especially in our area.
Quick thing before we continue the video, guys, do not forget to join our membership on our YouTube channel. Now, if you do not know what the membership is, it is kind of like Patreon, where you pay basically a monthly membership. It is completely optional. You do not have to join it if you don't want to, but you do get exclusive footage. You get early access to footage. You get behind the scenes footage. You also get exclusive finds, and we share that stuff with our members before we share it anywhere else. So please go ahead and check that out. Back to the video.
Guys, we're almost to 8,000 subscribers. Our analytics shows us the majority of our subscribers are from Georgia. So when we talk about a product, it's gonna sell out in our area first, because they know it's around here.
Absolutely, absolutely. A couple of weeks ago, I was out and about doing some shopping and ran into a subscriber.
Yeah.
Shout out to that subscriber if you're watching. She was like, love your videos, keep doing what you're doing.
That's crazy. That's the second subscriber we've run into.
Second time. So shout out to that subscriber.
And if y'all ever see us out, like, just come and say hi. We're normal, regular people just like you, obviously.
I may look unapproachable because I do have a serious face when I'm shopping.
Guys, y'all don't even know.
I'm serious about my shopping, y'all.
Guys, we are happy and very happy-go-lucky in these videos because we like make each other really happy. We've been married 14 years.
14 years.
We are obsessed with each other.
Yes.
But if you see him out and about, he is not.
I'm pretty serious.
He is a very serious guy. Like, I know you can't picture it. I know you can't picture it, but he's a very serious guy.
I am pretty
serious.
But
especially if I'm not around, he's gonna have his mean mug face on. But just come and say hi.
Yeah, cause you know how it is with a lot of dudes. It's like we go to shop, we in, we out, get these two things, get in, get out, and that's how I am most of the time. But you know, still feel free to say what's up.
Yeah.
All right?
Yeah, feel free to say drink your almond milk, sip up your code.
You want to make me smile. That's
just say, excuse me, sir, do you know how to drink almond milk? Guys, if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share,
hit that notification bell,
or
if you don't, we drop videos every Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday. You're probably seeing this on a Monday. This is a bonus video for you guys.
Yeah.
As always, don't forget to drink your almond milk.
Okay.
Zip up your coat.
Ooh.
Drink your almond milk.
Ooh.
Zip up your coat.
What?
Zip up your coat.
Guys, I have to keep the camera high because what's going on downtown is what kind of